The SolSource Sport is a grill that only uses the sun to make food. My name is Dylan, and this is my buddy Cody. We took this solar cooker with us all around California and made meals with it every day. Get ready, because the adventure starts now. All right, everybody, so we just set up here in this park in San Jose. So today we're gonna be cooking some burgers. We have them thawing right now. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can get max temperature, which would be around 300 degrees on the grill pan before we start throwing our burgers on. I did do another rookie mistake today. I left my sunglasses at home, so I gotta be extra careful when I'm looking into the SolSource. Don't wanna get any extra magnified sun rays into my eyes today.
All right, guys, so we have this burger on here for about 10-15 minutes. Getting ready to flip it. Throw some seasoning on there first.
All right, guys, so I just had my first 2 bites out of the burger, and I'm thoroughly impressed. It's cooked all the way through in about, 20 minutes? In about 20 minutes, it was cooked all the way through. Now, we were fighting a little bit of freezer because we just bought these, and so we had to thaw them here. But yeah, it's delicious. It tastes great. I can't wait to keep eating it. Cody's putting his on now. I get to eat this one. Then we brought some ketchup and mustard and some other things.
Actually, it feels like it's been like 10-15 minutes. It's not too bad.
Okay, guys, so we just finished up cooking Cody's burger. It's fully cooked through. This one only took around 12 to 15 minutes ish. This one was really quick. It already had all the juices and everything from the last burger in it, and so it's gonna be nice and flavorful. He's gonna put some cheese on his. Oh yeah. No, Cody likes cheese. I can't personally have cheese, so that's my downfall. Getting in the shade a little bit as the sun does move, so we're gonna just put it over here, and then his will be done in like 3 to 4 minutes.
Looks good. Tastes great. Good day. SolSource day 4. Day 5.
All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We did cook some burgers, had some good success in the sun here in the tech capital of the world. If you want 25% off the SolSource Sport, use code San Jose, SANJOSE, all one word. I'm gonna leave it in the video, you'll see it. 25% off, and then if you were that lucky first person, enjoy your 40% off on the SolSource Sport. Until next time, guys, we'll see you tomorrow.